3D printing technology has slowly changed our lives. We have been thinking about how to innovate and make 3D printers realize more possibilities. Now, Atomstack brings the world's first rubber 3D printer Cambrian series after 3 years of thinking and polishing. It finally achieved the printing of high-performance rubber materials with a minimum hardness of 60A to 70A. Silent circuit design, hitting wiring harness, new hotbed glass coating, 4.3-inch capacitive touchscreen. All this just to make the 3D printing experience better. Import the material, adjust the support, and start printing. With Cambrian, you can finally freely express your creativity. You can design a shoe sole, then stick it onto your shoe. Wear it to wherever you want to go without having to pay high sole mold fees. Of course, you can also design a pair of integrated 3D printed shoes, which can withstand more than 100,000 twists and turns. You can even have your own shoe factory and use Cambrian to produce the shoes you design. Each pair of shoes costs only $10. To meet different printing needs, we have launched 2 different sizes of machines at the same time. Even for sport shoes of size 46, it can be printed with ease. Cambrian can easily print all kinds of rubber product, such as a pair of unique sandals, a high elastic ball, or a wallet. Or you can even try adult toys. The Cambrian printer is made of aluminum alloy, and an all-metal protective oxide layer is obtained through anodizing process. In order to print highly elastic rubber products, Atomstack has exclusively designed a 2.85 filament printer head, which can guarantee the best accuracy and stability under the condition of effective shaping. When you want to print other materials, you can change to a 1.75 filament printer head. The near-end feed print head, based on PLA and ABS industrial standards, also allows you to connect to other 3D printers when printing common materials. In addition, we have also developed various rubber 3D printing materials with different colors and different hardnesses with high resilience. We have the only 3D printing materials in the world that can achieve a 50% resilience rate. As a revolutionary product, the Cambrian series truly unleashes all the potential of 3D printers. With the laser module, it also becomes a laser engraving machine. As long as you have room for imagination, it will bring you greater creative space and commercial value. Now, we sincerely invite you to enjoy the technological innovation brought to you by the Cambrian series. We will be waiting for you on Kickstarter.
Meet Oxxo, a phone holder that requires only half a second to use. We're excited to introduce our 2 new 15-watt fast wireless chargers. High-end electronics combined together in a compact and powerful fast wireless charger make Oxxo the perfect charger for your phone. Its minimalistic design and features like night guide, one-hand operation, 360 degrees tilt-free rotation make it easy to use in portrait and landscape mode. Oxxo chargers work with almost any phone and any case. With the Oxxo MagSafe sticker, you can transform any Qi-enabled phone into a MagSafe one. Follow the instructions accordingly to your phone model and stick the magnet to the right position for the perfect charging experience. The Oxxo sticker works with other MagSafe accessories and it sticks to metallic surfaces like your fridge. Join us, so we can do it.
What shall we do when our outdoor hobbies confront the hot weather? It's the neck cooler. It's easy for wearing, light and comfortable, and in one-button start. Using TEC refrigeration technique matched with logical algorithms, neck cooler can cool the carotid blood vessels on both sides of neck in a reasonable and safe manner. All of this comes from our mini refrigeration chip. When you turn on the neck cooler, the sensor timely captures the outdoor environmental temperature and accurately controls the refrigerating capacity of the mini refrigeration chip, reasonably cooling your skin through aluminum alloy, making you feel more comfortable. It's small and portable. We use titanium alloy memory metal and repeatedly optimize the technological structure of the product so that you almost can't feel any weight on your neck. Then you can enjoy your outdoor time as you like. We have successfully developed a refrigeration chip with ultra-low power consumption. Try to wear out our neck cooler and take a long ride. I'm sure you'll get a brand new riding experience. With the neck cooler, you don't have to worry about retrofitting your car in a hot summer anymore. All of this comes from our mini refrigeration chip. The neck cooler also uses IPX7 waterproof design so that you can use it anywhere. And the product uses magnet charging. That is, you can charge it efficiently and conveniently by a touch. This is what the neck cooler likes. No matter you're jogging, hiking, cycling, motorcycle traveling, golf, or working in a high temperature, the temperature control system of neck cooler can reasonably cool you and make you feel more comfortable. This is a product worked out by playing of a group of friends who love life and outdoor actions. Support Deku, just in Kickstarter.